1972 Volvo 1800 ES wagon. It is a 4-cylinder fuel-injected engine, automatic transmission with air conditioning. Take a look under the hood, and here we see the engine, fuel-injected, 4-cylinder, AC compressor. The AC works very well on the car, and it's got a new battery in it as well. It's also got a custom header fitted to there for the exhaust, custom exhaust system also, a little more performance. Leather interior, custom wooden steering wheel. It's also got, and that's genuine wood that was put on that dash when this car was restored some time ago. Okay, now we'll take a look at the storage space we have on this car here. It's got a small bench seat here, where if you raise this latch here, and the seat will just fold down, and you have a whole lot more cargo space there. And then you can just simply raise it back up again and lock it in position. Okay, now we're going to open the hatch. And you have the spare tires under there. Also, you see the 2 speakers for the back. The car has a passenger door here. You can see that there is supposed to be a mirror here for the passenger side, but it is broken, but they are available. Now that we've shown you the car in the shop, it's time to take it for a spin. All right, let's fire it up. The car overall drives very well. The suspension is very smooth, the brakes work well, and the engine, while it's not blisteringly fast off the line, it does cruise very comfortably in 50 to 65 mile an hour with no problem whatsoever. So that wraps it up for this vehicle. If you're interested in this car or you need help selling your classic car, give us a call at Ragtops and Roadsters at 215-257-1202 or visit our website, ragtops.com, link in the description.